Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to redeem Twitch gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Now, in the web address bar at the top, type in www.twitch.tv and enter. You'll end up in the official web page of Twitch TV, which looks like this. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner. In the pop-up that appears on the screen, click on Wallet. Now, right where it says gift card balance, you'll be able to see the available balance on your gift card displayed on this area right here at the top. In order to redeem a gift card, simply click on Redeem Gift Card button. Now, type in the gift card code available at the back of your gift card for Twitch. Make sure to type in your code correct. Soon after you're done, you'll be able to redeem your gift card right away for Twitch, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.